everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are taking good care of yourself and your loved ones. So welcome back. You might see a lot of light on my face and the reflection of ring lights over there, but it's because in Udaipur it's extremely rainy and gloomy. I haven't seen the sun since 5 days now, I guess, and now I couldn't wait to shoot the YouTube video because as I promised I'll be regular with the YouTube content now as well, despite of all the work. But now I'm slowly getting back on track, and it's getting pretty better for me to handle the work. But still sometimes it's frustrating and it gets extremely stressful to handle everything on my own and to complete all the campaigns and all the editing work. But still I love this, and so it makes it easier. But today this video is going to be extremely special. So this video is going to be a proper heaven makeup tutorial for all of you. It's been really long since I've posted like a proper makeup tutorial. The last time was the Instagram family makeup challenge. Then it came my styling tips and beauty hacks, the first time on YouTube, which by the way, thank you so much for showering so much love on it, and I know you all loved it because I received some really nice messages for that video, which made me really happy, so thank you. But this video is going to be a proper makeup heaven video for all of you, because a proper makeup tutorial, my style, since a very long time, so you'll enjoy it. And this video is extremely special because learn the art of color correcting with me. I'll be teaching you the art of color correcting. I know many of you do not use color correcting palettes because it's not one of the regular uses, but I will recommend you to use it on a regular basis. The reason being that because see, when you color correct your face, it becomes even, all over your face becomes even, and then when you layer the foundation, it looks like it has just melted on your skin, and trust me, it works. So without wasting much of the time, we'll quickly jump into the video and I'll show you the color correcting tricks and the makeup hacks that I follow, and how you can get the even and the most perfect base for your makeup and get the bronze glam.
1, 2, 3, fuck it.
So basically, color correcting is to make your skin tone look like an even canvas before you start putting foundation on it, or if I say in technical language, to make your face look like a plain canvas before you start painting on it. So by painting, I don't mean that layering foundation layers. No, it doesn't mean that. It just means to make your foundation look more beautiful and to look that the makeup has settled in your skin and has melted in your skin. It should look natural but at the same time look glam. So that is what I mean by color correcting. So I have this, no wait, I have two and I really get confused. Okay, so this is the Inside Cosmetics color correcting palette that I have, and it retails for 200 bucks. This is a color correcting palette. It is really good. The quality is really good. The payoff is really good. It is one of those affordable, nice color correcting things you can use. If you do not know how to use a color correcting palette or the sticks that come in, you can always go in with the color correcting primers. K Beauty has a really nice range of color correcting primers which are really good. So if you want a primer as well that can, make your skin look nice, so you can go with the color correcting primers. Of course that will look good, but if you're going with the primer, I will definitely recommend you all to see what your skin tone is, understand what your undertone is, and then only buy it. Because if you buy the green primer, that this looks good in color and it will neutralize the acne marks, but it will not work on your whole face. So you need to understand the color correcting concept, and then only I would recommend you to go and buy ahead. Okay, so see, this is how the color correcting palette looks. I'm sorry for the reflection of the light, but this is how it looks. So it has lavender, orange, green. This is my concealer shade exactly, and this is contour. So Inside Cosmetics has the packaging, of giving this. I will recommend you Inside Cosmetics because the products are really good. So this is how this cute color wheel looks. Now basically color correction works on the color wheel theory, to be precise and to be speech. Color corrector works under your eyes. that is for your dark circles, to even your skin pigmentations. So orange color corrector basically works for dark circles and pigmentation. The lavender one works to even your skin tone and to brighten up your undertones. The green one works for your acne mask, like I have one right here. So I'll apply the green one here. The purple one works, the lavender one works for the pigmentation as well. That is why I apply near my mouth, and sometimes the green one as well. The yellow one neutralizes your undertone at once, like pura it will neutralize. This is the concealer shade, this is the contour shade. I will put in the detailed information right here so that you can take the screenshot of it whenever you have to use color correction. Super light gel, it's the hyaluronic acid plus vitamin E. And this is the best hydrogels I've come across the market, except for my L'Oreal one. But the consistency is extremely like jelly, and it smells like heaven. Trust me. I'm taking it from the lid because you know already my hair. I don't want to waste it. Warm it up on your fingers. It's a really nice hydrogel. Look at the glow. Now that the gel is set on your skin, it's absorbed on your skin, so that the primer will not get mixed with the gel. So let it set, air dry it with your hands, works the best. Air dry your face. Now it's set. Then for my primer, I'm going with my Mars Pore Cure Primer. This is a soothing and pore filling primer that mattifies your skin and creates a perfect base. The 30 ml, this is the new primer I bought. And I've heard a lot about Mars Cosmetics. I've seen a lot of influencers using it nowadays, so I wanted to try it out, so I bought it. And the packaging is super cute. I really like the packaging. And also, this is not a illuminating primer or a stroke cream primer. For my skin, the silicone primers work the best, and therefore I prefer using that only. This is also a silicone gel based primer. I only have one illuminating primer, that is by MAC. That is also almost over now. It smells good. It doesn't smell strong. It doesn't have a strong smell. Color wheel. So I will recommend you to use a flat brush like this when you apply. I'm using my Swiss Beauty brush. This is not a very rigid brush. It's a nice flat, simple toed brush. And if you use a color correcting stick, you can directly apply it. But if you use a palette like me, I will recommend you to do it with a brush and not spoil the whole palette by using your fingers and nails, because some germs are there in nails and I don't want it on the palette. So first I'm going in with the orange beautiful canvas that you can paint on. So just spread in, like make a V when you apply it. With another color corrector, if you're using a brush, make sure that you wipe your brush off with a tissue paper. This is not with your regular tissue paper. This is a kitchen hand towel that we use in the kitchen. So make sure you damp it on like this and not the regular tissue paper, because उसपे pigmentation नहीं निकलेगा and your brushes might get spoiled. So use a kitchen towel or a nice hand towel maybe. Okay, so done. Of course the pigmentation will be there after. Everything is lying here and there on the couch. Right now when I shoot, this is how basically the shoot gets completed. But yes, moving on. Okay, the tissue papers. I was saying that I'm not using the yellow concealer, the color corrector, because I've used already the orange one in nice quantity and I don't need to brighten up that much because I always use a brightening concealer. So I'm directly going in with the green one right here. And for all of you asking that no pigmentation tha, but there's nothing on the concealer. I'm sorry, the color correcting, I'm saying it wrong, but there's nothing on this one. So that means we cleaned it well. Because the pigmentation will be there on the brushes because you need to clean it. And I'm taking a little quantity because there's only one that I need to, conceal and correct. Might let it here. That's it. Rest, if you want, you can do it on like small marks as well, but because I'm telling you everything in detail. So I'm putting a dot here and a dot here. There was no acne mark here and there, but it was a slight amount of hyperpigmentation. That is why I've done it. Again, clean it on your kitchen towel. Acne marks are visible, like this one was the visible one. Then going in with the lavender one. I know I'm looking like a cartoon right now, but this is an important step in makeup. I'm taking good quantity of the lavender one because I need really good quantity of that, because I have like pigmentation near my mouth. So I have like pigmentation here and here. So this, and always on the upper lip apply less product and just smudge it so that it doesn't get anywhere because of the sweat removal. Blend it with your brush only first. I know this is looking extremely funny, but when we blend it out, you'll see the canvas matching I'm talking about. Don't leave your brush like this, even if you don't have to use the color corrections thing now. Always clean your brush because pigmentation is पर आ जाएगा. Start blending with your damp beauty blender. You can use your brushes as well if you want to blend in with that. No issues in that, but I will recommend you a damp beauty blender. I'm using a tissue again to damp it out. How I was looking like a joker with all the colors on my face, and now how it is looking. Now go in with your foundation. I'm using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation today. It's in the shade, I always forget, golden beige. I bought it from Amazon. And this is a really nice mattifying and a photo focus foundation. It's actually really photo focus foundation. Directly apply it with your wand. You see the magic when foundation comes together and when we'll blend the foundation. I'm looking like a mummy right now, but it's really easy and super quick to blend by this way. Just wait and watch. Take your pen side. Under eye is already very lightened despite I've just used one stroke of the orange one. I have not even touched concealers yet, and look how face is looking even. The pigmentation is also looking even. Moving on to the concealers. So for concealer also I'm using my Insight Cosmetics concealer palette. This also retails for $250. The pink one is not a color correction. It is for the people who have really fair undertone and who have a nice pinkish undertone to their skin. I have pinkish undertone to my skin also. My undertone is not yellow, it's pink, but I am not going to use this one. I'm not going to use the pink one. I'm just going to go in with my concealer. This one as my shade because I think it's matching with my foundation, but let me check. Yes, this is the shade. The shade numbers are not written, otherwise I would have told you which is mine and which is not, but it's not written. Again, use a hand towel to take the concealer off it, and then go in with the lighter one. So for my tone, this is the lighter one. Just little amount of this. Yes, this is the lighter one. looks like a plain smooth canvas. I'm using my Bare Minerals Loose Mineral Veil powder. And I've learned this new trick to take your powder out on the lid and then use it so that you have a wider area to move your brush. And let me tell you, I really like that technique. And the BTS is gonna like blow your mind. That was the powder actually. And it somewhat resembles to Maybelline as well. The pigmentation is not as that of Maybelline. It's like really brighter on that side. But if you're looking for, okay, now you're able to see me and the camera as well. Keep our favorites. But yes, you can definitely go on with this one. It's a really nice and a good versatile palette. I'm taking my Real Techniques Blending Baby, and I'm just gonna go in with the contour directly. So just tightly go in with the contour. This is in the shade Poker Face. It has two shades, but I prefer the darker one for my skin. So okay, contouring makes me happy. Wondering which one I applied? I applied this one. There was no electricity, so I had to stop filming that. But yes, I applied the rosy pink shade. I'm just gonna go in with one more stroke. Actually looking really pretty. Okay, we are done with this. Moving on to the highlighter. I'm going in with this highlighter only. Can you see it? Like I told you, this is a really nice highlighter. In my mask, I belong in You Purse eyeshadow. It's a really cute palette. Side with the glowing beaming highlighter. So I am going in with this lilac lavender shade and this dash of pink shimmer shade. Basically this shade and this shade. So I'll start with my Pro Art PE20 brush, just taking the lavender here. The shades are really nice pigmented. The fallout is not there on the palette, as you can see it. So it's a nice lighter lavender shade. It's a nice shade, but I need some sort of pop-up, a bright makeup today. I don't know why. So I'm going in with this hot pink neon shade also, but I'm not going in much. I'm just taking a dash of it for the outer crease and just here. Shimmer, look at the pigmentation. It's really good, I was telling you. It's for 400 rupees. 400. Fill my eyebrows with the K pencil as usual. Don't judge me for being like over dramatic or anything. Manish Malhotra deserves it. This is in the shade Jet Black. These are the one looks inside with extra mascara that came out. But this is a heaven of mascara for all the people out there who loves extra volume lashes like me. This gives you a volume of 4 times, as it's mentioned in the description of the MyGlam app as well. It came in PR. For the lipstick, I'm going in with my MAC lip liner. It's in this shade Nice and Spicy. And then for the lipstick, I am going in with my Hira Beauty Bombshell. We'll go with that one today. It's a nice lip color. Very nude lip liner. go in with my Hera Beauty bombshell. This is from my own money, they didn't send me anything.